To better understand anxiety and to find effective ways to treat it, we need to explore three powerful systems working inside our body: the brain, the stress response, and the gut. Deep within our brain is a chemical called gamma aminobutyric acid, or GABA. Think of GABA as the brain's brake pedal. It slows down neural activity, quiets racing thoughts, and signals the body to relax. When GABA is functioning well, we feel calm, grounded, and in control. But when GABA levels are low or ineffective, the brain becomes overstimulated, and that's when anxiety can take hold. Thankfully, our body has a built-in alarm system called the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, or HPA. When we perceive a threat, the system floods the body with stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Our heart rate increases, our muscles tense, and our body prepares to fight or flee. This response is essential for survival. The problem is that this alarm gets triggered by emails, deadlines, or even our own thoughts. When a threat is detected, GABA's job is to turn that alarm off once the danger has passed. It tells the brain, you are safe now. But if GABA isn't strong enough, the alarm keeps ringing and anxiety lingers. Now, let's talk about the gut. The gut and the brain are in constant communication through the vagus nerve, the primary information highway connecting the two. A healthy gut supports emotional balance and a sense of calm, but an imbalanced gut can create inflammation, disrupt GABA activity, and amplify stress signals. This means anxiety isn't just happening in our heads, it's also shaped by what's happening in our bodies, particularly in our gut. So, how do these three systems work together? Think of it this way. The stress response is the gas pedal. It accelerates anxiety when the threat appears. GABA is the brake. It works to slow things down, and the gut helps determine how well those brakes actually function. When everything is in balance, stress activates when needed, GABA restores calm, and the gut supports overall stability and homeostasis. But when the system is out of balance, stress stays on. GABA can't fully quiet the brain, and the gut may be amplifying anxiety rather than easing it. Over time, this leads to chronic anxiety. When that happens, a clinical evaluation may be necessary to develop a treatment plan tailored to the individual. So, what can we do? The good news is that we can actively support all three systems. Quality sleep helps regulate GABA. Gut-friendly diet supports the beneficial bacteria that influences mood and stress. And building consistent healthy habits can make a meaningful difference over time. But perhaps the most important step is this. We must be willing to reach out for help, especially when anxiety begins affecting our daily lives and our relationships. There is real strength in seeking support. In our next video, we'll explore some treatments and techniques for managing anxiety. Until then, have a great day. Bye.